welcome back.
It's Dominic Vlogs.
Dominic Vlog here. Nothing special this week, just a few short videos that I've collected during the week. And I have Elad here, my host. Gonna see Nikki's show again, Gainesville, with Prada, Mr. Prada's Masks Club.
Please don't compare me to that. I'm not like her.
Just say the word. Tell me the place, and I'll take you tonight after the job.
No, honey.
Why not? Come on, just tell me.
Get it.
I'm hungry, Penny.
Get it out, Penny. Stop, Penny. Cut it.
No, a lot of it. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm up here at 35,000 feet on the way to Tel Aviv, Israel. We had the craziest start this afternoon. The crew was late. Lincoln Tunnel was under construction. They were like an hour late, so I had to deal with all of the paperwork, I'm trying to get the lighting set over here properly. Okay. So I had to prepare all the stuff in the airplane. So it was just me and 4 other flight attendants and 400 passengers waiting for the 2 captains and the other pilot. Stop it. Start was crazy, but once the captains were on board and we were ready for the flight, everything went pretty smoothly. We took off westbound today, and you could see the skyline of Manhattan, of New York City. Amazing.
Friend Sandy is flying us back home, and let him say a few words before takeoff.
Number 14 for takeoff.
Yes, sir.
With Captain Rosenthal here.
Yeah. And I'm letting him take off. This is not saying I'm a good pilot. I'm letting him take off. Okay, guys, don't take it too seriously. He's a good pilot. I trust him. All set? Yes, sir. Go. Last lift. Last set. Hold 80 knots. V1. Rotate slowly. Positive rate of climb. Gear up.
Another flight is concluded. We're back safe in Israel, and then he
Won't believe it.
got to give me some great material. The Stearman flight of Israel's Independence Day flight, amazing. Take a look.
really good. Every time I travel, I'm away from home. I get to be with Sean.
So it's good that she's in a boarding school. So now we're having something to eat. Lunch, late lunch.
Dinner.
Dinner actually. A local mall. We're gonna have some great Mediterranean salad. Sean's gonna have something vegan. It's Eilat's birthday today. Happy birthday, Eilat. I'm not there to see you and be there and wish you happy birthday, but happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday, dear Latish.
Happy birthday to you. Look at this. What do you see? Huh? What do you see? I tell you what you see. You see the summer. Look at this. I'm done hibernating. Look at this beautiful weather. I'm done hibernating. That's it. Motorcycle is out. There we go. I've been waiting for this weather for quite a while now. It's finally time for this.
If you haven't subscribed to this channel and you do want to see some more of our videos, so click the subscribe button and click the notifications. That way you're notified anytime we put out a new video. If there are any questions that you'd like to know or things that have to do with a flight and whatever, just write a comment or a question down below. So for now, peace out.